What's up guys, welcome back to Mile High Customs. We're waiting a special delivery today. Cool thing about our job is sometimes we get surprises unexpectedly. A customer was shipping their vehicle over to us. We're literally on the phone with them trying to figure out what day is it going to be delivered, and here we go. Transport truck pulls right in and the car is on it. Customer's not even seeing the vehicle yet, so we're the first people to actually see it in person besides the dealership itself. So guys, feel free to take a look at this brand new 2025 Corvette Z06 with the carbon package on it. This thing is beautiful. Again, customer has not even seen it yet. This will be the first time that he actually gets to see it when we send over the pictures. Car is getting full PPF, so full plate protection film on the whole vehicle, and we're tinting the vehicle as well. Customer will either be picking it up or sending it back to New Mexico. But again, it is a pleasant surprise. Guys, take a look at this thing. As you can see guys, car is delivered, but it is single digits out here today. So let's take this car inside and we can go over all the special options that this car has. You're gonna love this one right here. The carbon. It's the one that say bad month, you know what on it.
So this is the Z06 that got dropped off yesterday. This customer actually lives in New Mexico. He bought the vehicle in California and shipped it straight to us for full body window tint, full body PPF, and window tint. As you guys can see, Naya's currently tinting the front windshield. We got Yair tinting the side windows. We are also disassembling the vehicle. We've already got the mirror taken off. We've got templates on the emblems. So the Z06 on the quarter panel is coming off. The Corvette emblems on the rear hatch and the front hood are also coming off. And the guys have already taken off the Corvette emblem right here on the rear bumper. So like I said, we're in the disassembly phase. We are also working on getting all the patterns printed. Christian and Ricardo are working on the disassembly, and then Zach's gonna be working on the PPF here in just a little bit. So this Z06 also has the carbon fiber Z07 package. That package includes the carbon fiber giant spoiler over here. This vehicle also is optioned with the carbon fiber wheels. So if you guys take a look at these, I believe this option is about 12 to 14 grand if I remember correctly. The Z07 package also comes with the carbon ceramic brake pads and the rotors. This vehicle also has a whole bunch of carbon on the interior. If you guys come in a little bit closer, I'm going to come on this side, but you guys can go on that side. So the trim all around the window switches, the steering wheel, as well as all the trim around the infotainment center is also carbon fiber. Come over here to the front bumper. The canards as well as the front lip are also carbon. This vehicle can be optioned with a few other carbon fiber pieces, such as the mirrors and I believe the roof. However, this one is just that metallic gloss black trim, but overall it still looks really, really good. Orange is actually one of my favorite colors. I actually did spec one of these early on when they first got released. However, the dealer just wanted way too much markup, so I just decided to cancel that order. But let's go ahead and show you guys some of the work that the guys are doing. All right, so this is Yair. He's the grandmaster at tinting. He's actually the one that taught me how to tint probably like it's been like 9 years now. 9 years ago, he taught me how to tint, and yeah, now he's here at the shop.
Wait, this one taught you how to tint? What's up guys? The C8 Z06 is finally completed. We PPF'd the entire vehicle with Lumar's Valor paint protection film. We also tinted the vehicle with Lumar Shadows film, which is their highest rejection luxury ceramic film. We did a 15% on the side windows, and then we did a 50% on the front windshield for them. We also ceramic coated the whole vehicle. Even though Lumar's film has ceramic coating infused on the top layer, we went ahead and gave it a little bit extra with the Geon ceramic coating around the whole vehicle. This vehicle does have ceramic wheels, so we did the wheels as well in the ceramic coating, and also ceramic coated the brake caliper to kind of help with that brake dust and cleaning the vehicle. So everything is completed. It is all done. The customer flies in tonight from New Mexico, and we'll pick up tomorrow morning. This is one of the dopest C8s that we've dealt with. I think it's one of the dopest. You guys feel free to comment below and let us know what you think, and we'll see you the next time on Mile High Customs. We out.